Hi, this is Jasmine from Premier Homes. Welcome to 39 Buttermilk Bridge Road in Washington, New Jersey. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath colonial barn-style home with an oversized shop located on almost an 1.5 acres of land. You need to come take a look at this tour immediately. This house will not last. It will take your breath away. If you're interested in obtaining more information on this lovely house, please call me directly at 973-527-5460, or you can email me at jasmine@premierhomespros.com. Thank you.